Have you ever walked inside someone's home who's very cultured and their home is just a beautiful, eclectic collection of their experiences and just culture? We have a samurai sword and chinoiserie and King Louis era antiques and a Persian rug and mahogany furniture and French Impressionist art. That's kind of what we wanted to do here. We wanted very fine materials and a collection of all the time periods and styles. This is Nohea with Centenac House Interiors, and we are at this project that took a long time to finish, but it is extremely curated, 100% custom, and just for this client. This home just feels like classical music when you walk in. It's so beautiful, formal. Every single thing was curated just for the client and their taste. We built out a custom mantle, all of the box trim and molding. We did 100% custom furniture in here, down to the fabric, the arm height, the back pitch, the cushion style, the feet, everything about it is custom. So this client just really wanted everything to be historically accurate to the time periods that she really loves. And even down to the molding profiles, we got very historically accurate. So when it came to the TV wall, TVs were invented less than 100 years ago, so they were not historically accurate to the time period. So what we did was camouflaged it as art in a gallery wall. So for this room, this is a multi-purpose room. It functions as a guest room and an office. So we did a sofa sleeper, all custom. We sourced this custom chinoiserie fabric, and the blue on it I loved, and we paired it with this icy blue 100% silk drape behind me, and I feel like they pair it perfectly well. And then we did this velvet damask wallpaper, and the coolness of the wallpaper really plays off of the blue here. We sourced this amazing 19th century King Louis XVI mahogany antique. That's a wardrobe. This room also functions as a secondary wardrobe, so it was the perfect piece for it and contrasted the other pieces really well. We added all of the trim and the molding, the crown, updated all of the fixtures in the room, and it just came together beautifully. One thing that I do love is this antique lamp that she had, and we got this custom lampshade made for the lamp. I think it really just plays off of the wallpaper amazingly well and fits with the time period that we were going with. And in the bathroom, we did some really cute beadboard, a 3D mural-esque wallpaper, some really beautiful art and hardware. All over the house, we did this really beautiful box trim, just again to represent the time period. Baseboards, door casings, crown molding, electrical switch plate covers, and door hardware just to reflect the time period beautifully. We custom made these adorable chocolate brown gingham kitchen chair cushions, and in the primary, we did this beautiful gold and white striped drapery. Thanks for touring with me. Hope you loved it, and we really love creating spaces that feel and look exactly like our clients. So reach out to us on our website and we'll do it for you too.